debugging a Windows UWP app and encountered XBF files in the build output? These are the compiled versions of your XAML interface definitions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what XAML binary files contain and how they fit into the Windows application development pipeline. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn XBF files. XBF files are XAML binary format files containing compiled XAML markup used in Windows UWP and WinUI application development. They are the binary compiled versions of XAML source files that define user interface layouts, data bindings, resource dictionaries, and visual element hierarchies, optimized for fast runtime loading in Windows applications. XBF files are XAML binary format files containing compiled XAML markup used in Windows UWP and WinUI application development. They are the binary compiled versions of XAML source files that define user interface layouts, data bindings, resource dictionaries, and visual element hierarchies, optimized for fast runtime loading in Windows applications. For direct reading of XBF content, the best choice is Microsoft Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your XBF file and select Open With. Start with Microsoft Visual Studio if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the XBF format. The specificity of the XBF format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, viewing in Visual Studio. Open the XBF file's corresponding XML source file in Visual Studio to view and edit the UI definition using the XML designer and code editor. The XBF binary is generated automatically during compilation. If only the XBF exists, use XBF decompiler tools from the community to attempt reverse conversion to readable XML source. Next, decompiling XBF files. Use the XBF decompiler tool available on GitHub to convert XBF binary files back to readable XAML markup. Run the decompiler against the XBF file to produce an approximate XAML source reconstruction. The decompiled output may lack some design time attributes, but preserves the element tree structure properties and binding expressions. Finally, understanding the build process. XBF files are created by the XAML compiler during the MS build process for UWP and WinUI projects. The original XAML source files remain editable in your project, while XBF output goes to the build directory. Never edit XBF files directly, as they are regenerated from XAML source on each build of the application project. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.